Imagine opening a web page and seeing a polished, visually busy layout with icons, buttons, and sleek blocks. To the average visitor, it looks complete and even impressive. But beneath the surface, the search engine sees something different, a balance sheet of meaningful content versus the code and structure holding it up. This is what we call the text-to-HTML ratio. Text-to-HTML ratio acts as a simple but powerful reality check for every page on your site. Search engines use it to judge whether a page is rich with information or thin and overbuilt. As websites are rebuilt and expanded with modern page builders, the amount of code, HTML, scripts, and embedded elements can quietly start to outweigh the real content meant for people. Heavy structure often sneaks in through nested blocks and templates. You might see rows of icons or changing backgrounds, but if actual explanations or helpful details are missing, the page can feel thin to a search engine, no matter how impressive it looks to the eye. Sometimes, a page is filled with visuals that replace substance, and what remains is not enough to satisfy the original searcher's intent. A low text-to-HTML ratio is not an automatic penalty, but it becomes a real problem when paired with other warning signs. These might include pages that are nearly duplicates of each other, doorway-style location pages that only swap out the city name, keyword stuffing, or too many scripts and pop-ups that hide the real message. This pattern is especially common when the same template gets cloned again and again across many locations or services, with little change beyond a few words. Another sign is when sections of a page are filled with icons or decorative elements, but explain little about the topic or service itself. The answer is never to just add random text or filler. Instead, optimization happens when you add meaningful sections, clear answers to real questions, useful explanations, or details that help a visitor make a confident decision. Design should always exist to support the message, keeping the most important information visible and accessible, not buried behind layers of structure. Performance also matters here. Lean, fast-loading pages with a healthy ratio of substance to structure not only serve visitors better, but also make a positive impression on search engines. When both the user experience and the underlying code are clean and purposeful, your pages have the best chance to stand out in search. As we move forward, we'll look at another factor that can boost or block your visibility: schema markup. This is where we add an extra layer of clarity, labeling information in a way search engines can easily interpret, always matching what's real and visible on the page.